Fire. Fire.
The best part of waking up, there's a monster in your cup.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless, sitting up on breath.
Fire.
What is going on, RaceCarRichie gang? I'm back. It's like 70 degrees out today, and I'm super stoked that it's finally nice out. So we're back with the car again. Yes, again. And by the way, that's my updated dash, which I never really talked about, but eventually I will. So we're gonna attack some wiring over there.
Anxiety's infectious, I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed.
Yeah, so as you can see, my car is a mess. I have wires going look at that. Look at that rat's nest. Oh my God, is that a fur ball? Is that a fur ball? Wait.
Fire.
Oh, who's your daddy trying to climb in here? All right, so I'm gonna clean up these wires back here. I'm gonna do a little cleaning up under here. This is the second time or third time I made the actual harness for the car. And as you can see, I got some just extra wires that are open still. So I'm just gonna kind of clean them up a little bit.
Being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with
There's so many wires. Help. Where's Rob Dom? Rob Dom, come help me with this, please. The money, I just don't have it. So once I hit 10,000 subscribers on here, I'm gonna go ahead and do this full time, so then I can build wiring harnesses like Rob Dom. So I got all these wires. I'm gonna try to chop them down. I'm gonna try to chop them down to get rid of some of this jumble mess.
ocean. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong.
Okay, so just with that wiring that you saw me loop, so before this turned on my gauges and it turned on ignition box. So now when I turn the ignition switch on, it turns all my gauges on, as well as the ignition box. So that's just one less wire that I have to run down here. I'm gonna just tidy it up. Okay, so this wiring takes forever, so this video, most of this video is just gonna be ran by. Just gonna relabel these, because I have a better way of doing it. I got this label printer, printed a little guy, prime pump, and then that's gonna go right where the prime pump needs to go.
Every breath hold, cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold, cause I can't move on till I let go.
So this is my voltmeter, as well as some USB ports for charging and stuff. And I just want to make a bracket. So I'm going to take this bracket and I'm just going to cut a half moon in there and just kind of let this sit inside. So I'm assuming that's where we're going to have to go. I'm going to trace this out and then just cut it out with my pin snips.
Fire. Fire. Fire, fire, fire.
I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel I'm just.
Okay, so I just painted it. And I use a blowtorch because it still is a little bit nippy out, but I just painted it. And I used the blowtorch just to kind of evaporate some of those vapors and stuff to let it gas out and warm up the metal, so it helps the paint dry quicker. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill a hole for this and get it mounted.
I'm just lost to feel. I need time to heal. I can't steer the wheel, cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever?
All right, so I got it all mounted up. Give this a little bit of a turn. I will tighten this up. I just need some pliers just to grab this back ring and just kind of turn it, but not too shabby. And that's what it's gonna look like when it's on. All right, guys, so I'm just leaving the storage unit now.
The wiring's boring.
I kind of gave up trying to film it because it's just so much sitting there and just thinking about where the wires are going to go. So this video is just going to kind of be like whatever. I'm actually going to Brian's tonight. I believe I'm going to Brian's tonight, and we're going to try to get his car started. So I'm going to make a video doing that for you guys. So there's just more content on the channel to watch. So hope you enjoyed this absolutely pointless video that I made. I did set fire to something, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, so until next time. Fired, 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 fired.